So, right, we've got to sound deaden it. This panel here, 'cause it's not having a window in. Then we've got to insulate it, put the cover back on, 4-way stretch carpet it. So, it's the job today.
These are Crocs.
Come up quite clean after a good scrub out. Give him a clean. Yes. Two panels. Up there. Right. Just getting started on this 4-way stretch carpeting. Malarkey. See how that goes. Roll that to do. It's on a big roll. And then we've got that window to cut out. Insulation, boards back on, and then we can cap it that side. So, wish me luck. Yes. See you in a bit. So, one side. Just down at the bottom of the wheel ash to just tidy up. But yeah, not a bad job. So let's see if we can get these trims back on this pillar. Now give them a good clean. So we need to get that little cut. So we put that on. Cut the window hole, carpet it, slip the window back in. Job done. Concentrate on the floor. So now we've got to put some radiuses on them two corners so they can fit in there nicely. Passing that back. Cut the holes out for that. Jig it out. Be nice. Wrap it all this. Like that. And then, before it pisses it down, today you can hopefully get the window in. After the window in, trim back on. Ready for the floor. Oh, it's off, give it a clean. So I've got all the sound ending down. So I'm going to put the put the ply back down. It's not going to rub as much. Or if it does rub,